to my channel. It's Rachel. For today's video, I will be doing unboxing and review. This company sent me a pair of glasses and I'm so surprised, guys, because the shipping is fast. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. This brand is Hip Optical. The way Hip Optical can deliver so fast is that all their eyeglasses are made here in the US. And the best part is, for every order made, Hip Optical donates a pair of glasses to someone in need. So your order will put a second pair of eyeglasses to someone else who really needs them. They have a lot of selections of eyeglasses, not only for women but also for men. And they have blue light blocking glasses, sunglasses, and eyeglasses with prescription. They use a plant-based premium acetate material to manufacture the frames and include heavy-duty spring-loaded hinges, ensuring your frames last and fit perfectly. I spent several hours on the computer doing editing and iPad, laptop, and especially cell phones, I gotta protect my eyes, so I need a blue light blocking glasses, and so I got it here. Yeah, the shipping is fast, guys, so I'm really impressed, and I got it over here. So let's open this box, and I'm so excited. I already got this open because I can't wait. So here it is. This one is the anti-fog cloth for the eyeglasses, and here's another box in here. So let's get this one out. Okay, this might take a while, so I have to pause the camera first. Here it is. That was quick, and this is what it looks like. There's their logo, and over here on the side it says hipoptical.com. So let's open this. I'm so excited. And this one is the case for the eyeglasses. The case is pretty sturdy and I really like it. You can take this anywhere, put it in your purse. Let's see, let's open this right away. Look at that. So I have this cloth here. Let's see how it fits on me. The quality is amazing, very trendy and fashionable and affordable too. Oh, it fits perfect. Yay! I really like it, and also you can see the reflection, of the blue light there on the lenses. See how I look? Yeah, anyway, this one, I picked the Higgins Mink, and look at the glasses, guys. I really like the details and the style of these eyeglasses. The sides and how it looks. So I do have a code. It's right here. They also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not in love with these eyeglasses, you can send them back. They will eat the manufacturing cost, so there is literally no cost to you. And they all cost the same. And one thing is, it's free shipping. I love free shipping, guys. They have sizes that you can choose from, the design and the style, whatever you like. It's on their website. All their glasses are $95, including prescription. This one is a good quality, and also it's scratch proof and lightweight. It's crafted from handmade acetate. So head over to the link in my description and check out Hip Optical your next order. Offer ends in 90 days, so hurry up and get your dream eyeglasses. So yay! What do you think about these glasses? You can just leave a comment down below. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.
And I thought it's time I'm letting you